I'm Kelly from Cake Boss Software, and today I'll be showing you how to rearrange your ingredients within a recipe. We've all done it. We've entered the ingredients into a recipe just to get the pricing done, but later you go back and look at the recipe, and for the purposes of actually preparing it, everything's out of whack. Your wet ingredients are all mixed in with your dry ingredients. It's just a mess. So I'm going to show you how to easily get your recipe back in order. I'm going to move my mouse to hover down over the ingredients grid, and you can see that when I move the cursor over this grid, the cursor changes into a 4-directional arrow. That arrow symbol means that you're now able to drag whatever row you are over into any other position. Just press the left mouse button and hold it to grab onto the row and drag it while holding the button, and then release the button to drop the row in the correct position. This feature is only available when using Cake Boss Cloud on your PC. Because there's no cursor on a mobile display, when we flirted with enabling it on mobile, it turned out to be way too easy to accidentally rearrange your grid when you were just trying to scroll down with your finger, so we opted to make it a PC-only feature. So I will just fix this poor messed up recipe by arranging the ingredients in the order in which I would use them in a recipe. First comes the butter, then the sugar, then the vanilla, and the eggs, and then flour, baking powder, and salt are all where they should be. Now that they're all in order, the important thing to do is hit the save button, and I'm actually going to exit out of this recipe with save and close, and then I'm going to open it up again just to show you that the ingredients are still in the order that I put them in, with the wet first and then the dry. This was sugar cookies, and there they are. This feature will make it much easier to maintain your Cake Boss Cloud recipe collection for functionality. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button to be notified when we post new content.